Hi, welcome to the YouTube channel of the IELTS Workshop. My name is GIliwoNG, one of the proud IELTS teachers of this center. And today I'm going to share with you a story about an event that happened on October the 31st. Do you know what day is it? That is correct, that is the Halloween day. Now let's start. It happened about 2 years ago. If my memory serves me right, I was a sophomore at the Diplomatic Academy of Vietnam. My friends asked me to accompany them to the neighborhood of the expat communities living in Hanoi to celebrate the so-called Halloween Day. To be honest, I was not quite much into the Western cultures and festivals, but I still nodded to please them. So as a tradition of the Halloween as we know it, we put on costumes and makeup to look like characters on the screen or in horror novels. I am a big fan of DC Comics, so I made myself look like the Flash, the fastest man alive, while my friends disguised themselves as Thanos and John Wick, the #1 hitman on the screen. At the time, my friends and I were already too old for trick or treat, so we wandered around the neighborhood trying to scare the little kids, which I found a bit childish. Well, I guess there was nothing better to do then. Suddenly, there was a blackout. I thought it was a set of the event organizers, but it turned out differently. When the light came back, a girl appeared out of nowhere, riding the broomstick and holding a magic wand. She was more beautiful than Hermione in Harry Potter series herself. We broke the ice and she became one of my besties until now. And so that was the last time that I celebrated Halloween. I think I'm too old for that. But if it had not been for that event, I would have not got myself another close friends of mine. So I'm grateful for it. And that is a rather spontaneous preparation of an IELTS Speaking Part 2 performance. Describe an event that you celebrated, and I chose Halloween. So what do you think about it? Leave your comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe because it's free. See you next time. My name is GIliwoNG signing off.